experiment is to perform assay of ibuprofen. First, ibuprofen. Ibuprofen is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug which is used to relieve pain, headache, fever and in some cases inflammation. It also used in some major cases to reduce severe menstrual periods, migraines and rheumatoid arthritis. In some cases, ibuprofen is used to close ductus arteriosus in premature baby. It can be used orally or intravenously.
To perform a assay of ibuprofen, chemicals required: sodium hydroxide, oxalic acid, phenolphthalein indicator, alcohol, ibuprofen tablets. Apparatus used: burette, burette stand, conical flask, volumetric flask, funnel, pipette, measuring cylinder. Principle of SAF ibuprofen. The alcoholic solution of ibuprofen is titrated against the standard solution of NaOH. Using phenolphthalein indicator, we get pink color.
Procedure for preparation of reagents. First reagents we are using in this experiment is sodium hydroxide solution. For preparing sodium hydroxide solution, at first 4 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1000 ml of water to get equivalent normality 0.1. For the experiment basis, we are using 2 grams of sodium hydroxide which was dissolved in 500 ml of water to get desired value of 0.1 normality sodium hydroxide solution. Next reagent we were using in this experiment is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid should be taken in 6.3 grams in dissolved in 1000 ml of water to get equivalent normality 0.1. For an experiment basis, we are using 3.15 grams of oxalic acid dissolved in 500 ml of water. We get equivalent normality 0.1. These were the reagents used in preparation of assay of ibuprofen, and indicator was used as phenolphthalein indicator. The end point of these experiment is getting of pink color. Procedure for performing assay of ibuprofen. It consists of 2 steps. First one is standardization. Second part of this experiment is performing assay. First part, standardization. For this we need a burette and 50 ml of sodium hydroxide solution. We should fill this 50 ml of sodium hydroxide solution in a burette with the help of funnel. After pouring sodium hydroxide solution into burette, we should fit this burette in a burette stand with the help of burette stand. This was the primary step for standardization. Next, we should take oxalic acid solution in conical flask. Take 10 ml of oxalic acid solution with the help of measuring cylinder. Pour it into the conical flask. Now, we should add phenolphthalein indicator 2 drops carefully. Now add this phenolphthalein indicator into this conical flask. Now we should titrate this oxalic acid with sodium hydroxide solution. By continuous titration of sodium hydroxide with oxalic acid solution, we obtain pink color. Now we should note the readings by observing burette. From now we should take 3 more readings from this burette and we should calculate the mean of obtain 3 values. Now standardization was completed. Next step in this procedure is performing assay of ibuprofen.
Perform SAF ibuprofen. Take 0.5 grams of ibuprofen sample and we add 100 ml of alcohol solution.
After adding phenolphthalein indicator to this ethanol solution, we should titrate it with sodium hydroxide solution. After continuous titration, we obtain pink color. This is end of the reaction. Next, we should continue this titration for 3 times and we should get 3 values by observing the burette. Now we should take the mean of the 3 values.
So calculation: Standardization of sodium hydroxide solution. Formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2, which gives N2 is equal to V1N1 by V2, where V1 is equal to volume of oxalic acid solution, N1 is equal to normalization of oxalic acid solution, and V2 is equal to volume of NaOH solution, N2 is equal to normalization of NaOH solution. Determination of ibuprofen. Percentage purity of ibuprofen in sample is equal to equality factor into V into N2 calculated by N2 given into W multiplied by 100, where V is equal to volume of NaOH solution, N2 calculated is equal to obtained from calculation, N2 given is equal to 0.1 N, W is equal to weight of the sample.